Ntdll.dbguserbreakpoint, another fix. How to eliminate those annoying Ntdll.dbguserbreakpoints. Patch int3 is based on code from Pete Morris. Add this procedure to your unit, and also the initialization section below. At runtime, the offending int3 will be replaced by a NOP instruction. Procedure patch int3, var NOP, byte, BytesWritten, DWORD, NTDLL, THandle, p, pointer, begin if win32 platform var _platform _win32 _nt then exit. NTDLL equals GetModuleHandle, NTDLL.DLL, if NTDLL equals 0 then exit, P equals GetProcAddress, NTDLL.dbgBreakPoint, if P equals nil then exit, try if char, p caret, $CC then exit, NOP equals $90, if WriteProcessMemory, GetCurrentProcess, p, at NOP, 1, BytesWritten, and BytesWritten equals 1, then FlushInstructionCache, GetCurrentProcess, p, 1. Except / do not panic if you see an EAccessViolation here, / it is perfectly harmless. On EAccessViolation do, else raise, and initialisation patch int3.